In a significant discussion aimed at enhancing South Sudanese diplomatic cooperation with Israel, Speaker Jemma Nunu Kumba and Israeli diplomat Sharon Bar-Li convened to review Israeli-funded agricultural and developmental projects in South Sudan, essential pillars of the relationship between the two nations. In a media statement following the discussions, Ambassador Garson Kadar of Israel reaffirmed his government's commitment to strengthening mutual ties with South Sudan. He underscored the importance of enhancing cooperation in education, health and agriculture.
This was a very important meeting, Parliament, or the voice of the people, and we brought our greetings from our Parliament to your Parliament, which means from our people to your people and our people and your people together in friendship and solidarity. And we spoke about the ways that we are implementing such friendship by training courses in health, in agriculture and other areas. We're also doing in space sciences at the university.
Meanwhile, Ayik, the press secretary in the office of the Speaker, noted that Speaker Nunu expressed her appreciation for Israel's contributions to capacity building and support for the health sector, particularly through the Save a Child's Heart initiative, which has positively impacted the lives of children in South Sudan.
The Right Honourable Speaker welcomed them both to the TNLA and engaged in discussions spanning from the historical context of South Sudan's friendship with Israel, dating back to the fight for liberation, the continued cooperation of our two countries, specifically the critical period in South Sudan's history, and the support that South Sudan is extending back to Israel during this critical juncture in its own history. Dr. Jemma Nunu reiterated the message of His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, of solidarity with the people and the government of Israel.
In other news, Speaker Jemma Nunu Kumba held discussions with Ambassador Tholen of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Their deliberations focused on addressing the factors behind the extension of transitional period and alignment of the Tumaini initiative with 2018 revitalized peace agreement. Briefing the media, Ambassador Tholen shared details of their meeting, expressing optimism for a fruitful collaboration between the two nations.
First of all, a courtesy call to pay my respect, but second, also an opportunity to exchange with the Honourable Speaker about the Tumaini process and the extension of the transition and the outlook towards the elections. So we had an interesting and enriching exchange of views, and I much appreciate the opportunity to meet the Honourable Speaker.
Ayik, press secretary in the office of the Speaker, highlighted the key areas of discussions, emphasizing the strengthening of bilateral ties.
The Right Honourable Speaker also met with Ambassador Tholen, the newly accredited ambassador of the Netherlands to South Sudan. During the courtesy visit, the two discussed the ongoing peace process and the adjacent Tumaini process. The Speaker reiterated her commitment to cooperate with the Kingdom of the Netherlands and extended her appreciation for the long-standing relationship we hold with them.
Reporting for SSBC, Bakhita, Akuindik, Abiem.